I'm very happy today. 57% global competitive centers are in India. And also 42% of companies are engaging. Nobody can deny this. It will reach 70% very soon. World is going to depend on India on knowledge. I'm totally confident about it. It is going to happen. With this remark, what I wanted to say, I'm always business friendly. Not I'm expecting anything from business. If you create wealth, then only you can empower people, or otherwise you can give welfare. If you won't create wealth, what can we give back to the society? That is my thinking. I am very happy. I had a natural partner, CAI, not now, for the last 3 decades. From the beginning, they are working with me. And also all business houses are having trust on us. That is how we built Hyderabad. Today, most livable city. Generally, if you see, only few people will get an opportunity. Some people may not get opportunity in lifetime. First, I got an opportunity to build Hyderabad. That is Hyderabad, Secunderabad, 2 cities. I added one more city, Cyberabad. Now, most GCCs are in Hyderabad only because of livable conditions. Best livable city in India is Hyderabad. That is how we had an excellent ecosystem.